He's like...
Special birthday with me. And you brought all your friends and family. As a matter of fact, let's just take a second to thank the girls who brought you to my place to celebrate your birthday today. Can we stand to our feet and show them some gratitude?
Nemo, sit down, baby.
Come on, everybody.
Sit down, baby.
That's it. And now, a round of applause. A round of applause.
Give him a hug. Give him a hug.
Alright, let's move on with the business at hand. Everyone take a seat, unless you're a birthday star. Since you are a very special guest today, the cast and I would like to treat you as royalty. Do we have the crowns? Well, what are we waiting for then? Let's strike up the band and start the royal ceremony. I want to shake your hand and wish you a personal happy birthday myself.
Excited.
Alright, everybody. We're going to have some fun here before we get to lighting candles, making wishes and such. Are you ready to get loud?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now that's more like it. Now we're going to have a little competition. I'm going to draw an invisible line right here to make two teams, okay? If you're over here on my right, you're going to shout, happy, and then clap your hands over your head like this. Let's try it. When I point to you, you say happy, and...
Okay.
Happy?
Yeah, that was great. Now, for you folks over here on my left, you'll shout, birthday.
That's like his this guy.
Ready?
Happy? Birthday.
Birthday. You can be the loudest.
Happy?
And if you feel like it, you can
Oh, come on, everybody.
Happy?
Happy.
Hey, Dad, birthday.
Birthday.
Happy! Birthday! Happy! Birthday! Happy birthday!
Good job, everybody. Now it's time for some birthday star wishes. You may want to have those cameras ready. All right, you party hosts, help me out here, and let's get those candles lit. Now be careful, you don't want to burn yourself there. You kids ready? Are you ready to make a birthday wish? We're going to sing happy birthday to you, and then you can blow out your candle. Okay, you birthday stars.
Okay, Nemo.
This is for you. Let's all sing it nice and loud. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Benjamin. Happy birthday to And you should stand up where you are so we can honor you. And that's why come on, stand up. How about some applause here, folks? Come on. This is your official. These are just for a special birthday stuff.